up, guys? I'm literally driving right now, but when I park up, me and the squad, man, we're gonna get into some fucking videos or something. Anyway, it's been a minute. What's going on? It's been a little busy. Many of you on here are IRL or Facebook friends or whatever, and I wanted to thank you all for all the birthday wishes. It was a week ago today, the 7th, April 7th. I missed being an Easter baby by about 4 hours way back when, but far and away the best fucking birthday I've had in over a decade, literally. I had the absolute best time ever. You know what I did? I fucking worked. I was right here and I loved every fucking minute of it. Updates, I've been busy, but not really machine stuff, just a lot of ball work, as usual, you know, mainly plugging, cutting, that kind of shit. I did, it's in the locker, hang on, I was naughty, we didn't start the fire, don't cut my dick off. Anyway, I never did finish the plug, but this is drilled. It's a little short, it's not terrible. I put a slug in it and lengthened it a little bit. It fits. Good enough for now. I just need something to throw. Purple hammer's done. That's up front in a locker. Fits like a fucking glove. I'm thrilled with how that came out. So my drilling will improve. The purple hammer, let me tell you something. Now this is fresh meat. I've never thrown this newfangled urethane stuff. Holy dude. I went on lane 1 after the league was done on a Tuesday after college night. So it's insane amounts of carry down. And I threw it pretty good. The first shot was pretty good off my hand. I went like 7-2. And those of you who don't know, lane 1 hooks like an arrow less than any lane in this house. So I'm like, let's just see what this thing's gonna do. And played like 7-2, and it read at about 20 feet, maybe 25, and just arced. Like right to the pocket and right through the rack and stone to 9. So very impressive to say the least. That is a Hopkinsville pour, so pretty cool. That definitely would fit into my kind of game. I was always a control player. Just as long as the ball hit and got the half pen out, I don't give a fuck. So that's the one. I didn't throw a lot of shots. I don't have the stamina, and when I miss, it's by like, you know, 2 arrows, and I just can't. I got to get it back into it, but you know, me being perfectionist, 10 board misses are unacceptable. So it'll be a slow process. All right, machine updates. Pretty much simple calls, not really anything crazy. Had a couple of deck jams. I'm chasing these jams on 12 right now. Very infrequent, but you know, the tricky ones to kind of catch, so I'll keep an eye on that. You know, this, excuse me, little things here and there. Let me update you. I didn't think making a video for expert wire would be, you know, anything crazy. It's 2 7/16 nuts and bolts. But, yeah, this is, sorry. Hands off. Hold it this way, stupid. Lane 5, yeah. Funny, I went down there and one cap was just like floating in midair. There was the piece of the broken wire in it from before. I guess somebody in a hurry just bolted it up. Another cap was just completely missing. The machines just run. They don't care. So I took care of all that. That's all good to go. Lane 6. 10th, so Thursday, Friday, something like that. The cross drive belt, no big deal, super simple. Lift rod left, right, no, lift rod's on 1, I'm going kaput. And tonight's project, I didn't show you the magnetic tray yet for a reason. I didn't need my promo code and all that shit yet. Let's wait for it. Lane 8. Let's get a little flash action here. Yeah. Guys see the problem? It don't fucking care. I don't know how long it's been like that. It runs. Hasn't jammed, nothing. So, I got my my magnetic tool tray ready. Very expensive models. They come with paper rag, microfiber rag, microfiber towel / rag, flashlight, and I got my toolkit in there. Allen's just in case, and just a couple of 7/16ths. So that's ready to go for tonight. Pretty blue deck shoot, huh? Yeah, you guys know where this came from. So I'll change that out tonight. No big deal. Just three nuts and long bolts. I'm sure you guys know all that stuff. All that stuff. Pretty basic, but I mean, hey, you want me to show it at some point? I can show it, no problem. It's getting to be too much. We're gonna have to go to strings. You can't keep these things running. You know, it's fucking ridiculous. Oh, the magnetic tray. This is which one was this again? I forget. The silver and purple tropical storm model. Yep. Rep 69420 for 0.8378416 repeating % off. So get in on it, guys. And yeah, that's about it. It's a Tuesday. All I have is 5 and 6. That's the roll off for the league. Then they have their championships or something next week. And waiting on the college kids. It should be pretty hopping tonight. But I figured I'd do a quick video because I haven't done one in a minute. And we got to do some stuff. I mean, nothing complicated or crazy, but stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks again for all the birthday wishes and stuff. Like anyone who knows me, I'm a sap. That kind of stuff, it helps me a lot. It really does. You guys have all been awesome since I've been back. So thanks again, guys, so much for everything. You know the deal. Hit me up in the comments if you want. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, guys. Much love always. Thanks again. We'll catch you soon. Peace.